Students from Southport State School could be some of the best fed in the state. The Tuckshop's $5 butter chicken is a finalist for a major award. Reporter Mel Whiteman took a taste test.
Wednesday means butter chicken here at Southport State School, and the secret about just how good this dish is out. It's been named a finalist in Queensland's Tuckshop Awards. Angelique runs the Tuckshop here. It's also your recipe. Can you tell me what makes it so special?
I think one, it's made with love. Two, we use a butter chicken paste rather than the pre-made sauce. I wanted to make something that had lots of flavour and a bit of punch. And
you still managed to get a lot of veggies in there.
Yeah, we do. Our aim is to make it as healthy as possible and to give the children as much nutrition as we can. So I put about 5 or 6 veggies, hide them in the butter chicken. I start cooking in the morning, and then people start coming. Oh my God, it smells so lovely. Oh, we get butter chicken, and the kids go past. Oh, butter chicken day, yay!
And being named a finalist in these awards, what does that mean to you?
I'm really proud that that all our hard work has paid off.
What's the butter chicken judged on?
First and foremost is I suppose the nutritional value. They want to know that it's healthy, it's affordable, easy to make.
Thank you so much. Good luck.
Thank you.
We can confirm we've tried the butter chicken. It's not only healthy, it is delicious as well. The winner of the award will be announced next week.